The government says the country is on a high alert to prevent the spread of Mpox, formerly monkeypox, following a surge in global cases. Pane chirwere muri Zimbabwe icho chinowanzozikamwa chinzi monkeypox. Chamuri kuona mapictures mapundu amuri kuona anenge achibuda pamahuman bodies sezviri kushiwa pamapictures. Vataona kuti government yeZimbabwe iri kueja vanhu. So amungusa panapa tiri kupa maupdates ezvese zvinenge zvichikonzera macitizens emunyika yeZimbabwe. Sana beda masvika kubuda nyuka panapa wotobva wasubscribe wolike woturn on the bell kuti tive namwe muchinzi. As the global Mpox outbreak continues to spread, over 16,000 cases and more than 500 deaths have been recorded in 75 countries. Although Zimbabwe has not recorded any cases of Mpox, the Minister of Health and Child Care, Dr. Douglas Mumbeshora, says the government is not taking any chances, hence taking proactive measures to prevent the virus from entering its borders. He spoke this Tuesday on sidelines of the India-Africa Business Conclave in New Delhi, where Zimbabwe is seeking investments in various sectors, which includes health. Monkeypox is a threat to health systems in the region, maybe in Africa as a whole. As you know, about a week ago in Africa, SADC declared Mpox a public health emergency, with World Health Organization declaring it a public health emergency. Ndo mashuka tiri kuuya update yamuzara nhasi titi aiwa vagari venyika yeZimbabwe, government yenyika yeZimbabwe iri kuti aiwa iri kuda kueja macitizens emunyika yeZimbabwe uye ida kuita mameasures ekuti aiwa this monkeypox iri kupinda pamaborders ayo. Noda kuti aiwa paita sudden rise aiwa pamanhamba emacases pamwechete nemadeaths. Ataona kuti more than 16,000 people vanobatiwa nechirwere ichi. Wotudza mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu, so subscribe, kulike, and turn on the bell icon.